In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Supplier in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a supplier contact so you can raise bills faster and keep your accounts tidy. First, open Xero and sign into your organization. From the top navigation, head to Contacts. This is your central place for managing the businesses and people you buy from and sell to. Once you're there, choose Suppliers. That filters your contact list to just the vendors you pay, which keeps things organized. Next, select New Contact to create a fresh supplier record. You'll land on a contact form. Start with the contact name. This field is required, so use the supplier's trading name exactly as it appears on their invoices. Consistent naming helps you avoid duplicates and makes searches more reliable later. Below that, you'll see account number. If your supplier has assigned you a unique account or customer number, enter it here. It's especially helpful when reconciling statements or when you need quick reference during support calls. If you don't have one, you can leave it blank. Now, set up the primary person for this supplier. This is the default contact you'll email from Xero, for example, when sending remittance advice. Add the person's first name and then click into the last name field to complete it. Accurate names help your communications look professional. Enter the email for that primary person. Click into the email field and type the address carefully, since Xero can use it for sending documents directly. A quick double check here can prevent bounce messages later. Continue by filling in the remaining supplier details. Add a business address and phone number so your records are complete. If you have tax or registration details from the supplier, include those to support compliance and reporting. You can also set helpful defaults like a preferred currency or payment terms to speed up future bill entry. If you regularly code bills to the same expense account for the supplier, consider setting a default account and tax rate so Xero can pre-fill those fields next time. The more you complete here, the less manual work you'll do later. When everything looks good, choose Save and Close. Xero will create the contact and return you to the suppliers list. You should now see your new supplier ready to use whenever you enter a bill or schedule a payment run. That's it. You've added a supplier in Xero, set up key contact details, and laid the groundwork for faster, cleaner bookkeeping. Thanks for watching, and feel free to repeat this process for each new supplier to keep your records current and consistent.